Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. So today I'm going to compare two new engines, AI-based engines. One is DeepSeek and the other one is AI-based Google Studio. So we'll compare it. Now, why I felt the need? Because I heard a lot about DeepSeek, DeepSeek, DeepSeek. It is one of the best. It has changed the world. It is doing marvelous job, and it has beaten all other competitors. This and that. So I just used DeepSeek. Well, it's a very good engine. I'm not denying it, but we will compare it. I'm a professional. I will put some technical terms, and I will look into that how DeepSeek is going to educate me and how Google AI-based Google Studio is going to educate me. So that or give us information, both what kinds of information I get from when I write a term in DeepSeek, and what kind of information or the level of information I get when I write it, the same term in AI-based Google Studio. So we will compare it and we will see which one is better. So people are talking everything without comparing. So I will put a straightforward scenario and let's see what is the best. I know that with the passage of time there will be a lot of improvements and changes in both the engines or other engines or other applications. I'm not denying it, but let's see what at the moment we are having information from both of these applications or search engines. But no, this is very, very important because there is a lot of hue and cry. So let's see in what is the reality. So let's start it. So let's see. I'm a professional and I'm going to write some term used in medical science. Let's see what information and how much information I'm going to get when I write the term in DeepSeek, and then we will also see that how much information I get when I write in Google AI Studio. So here I've written a term cell injury. So let us look into it. How much information I'm going to get. Okay, so well, it gave us a lot of information, no doubt. But let us see now. We are going to use the same term in Google AI Studio and see what information we are going to get from there. So one thing you must have noted the speed. The speed is much more better in Google AI Studio than in DeepSeek. Now let us closely review the kind of information we got. The causes of cell injury, it has indicated 8 causes and given us just hints what is there. While if we look into the causes in it has given us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 causes. It has missed the aging. Here, aging is also there. Okay, so there are 8 causes given here. This Google AI Studio missed aging. Okay, so if we look into DeepSeek has given only one line statement for each cause, while the Google-based AI Studio has given Google AI Studio has given us a quite a comprehensive description, quite a comprehensive description in each cause. So that is quite tremendous. And then if we look into the mechanism of cell injury, the DeepSeek has given us okay, it started with the types of cell injury and outcome of cell injury and morphological expressions. This has really gave us information about mechanism of cell injury as well, and it is quite enormous, a lot much. And then types of cell injury, whether reversible and irreversible, and then outcomes of cell injury. It's given in quite detail. As for the DeepSeek is concerned, so it has also given us mechanism of cell injury, but not in that detail. And types of cell injury, reversible and irreversible, it's given, but not in that detail. So the Google AI Studio has given me more information, educated more as compared with DeepSeek. Now let's type uh, another term. So you see the speed on the same internet. It is quite fast. Okay, so it has ended. Now let us compare the information about inflammation, what we get in DeepSeek about inflammation. So it takes some time on the same internet for gathering the information. Now it has started writing. Okay, so let's compare the information we got from the two. So it gives us types of inflammation and uh, it gives us purpose of inflammation, very important, key components of inflammation. This is excellent, really. And then types of inflammation. So acute inflammation, number one, and see how much information is there. It covered almost every aspect of acute inflammation, while here it has given just the hints about acute inflammation and then chronic inflammation, just the hints. While in Google AI Studio, I got much more information in acute and chronic inflammation in both cases. Then the mediators of inflammation, who starts the inflammatory process. So it starts with causes of inflammation and very brief view about causes, key features of acute inflammation. Now here it has given some key features of acute inflammation and chronic inflammation, systemic effects, outcomes of inflammation, clinical examples, treatment. But let's see in Google AI Studio. So it gives us information about the players who induces inflammation, systemic effects of inflammation. That is the same is also covered by the deepseek, the beneficial and harmful effects of inflammation, clinical significance. Treatment is very brief here. We are not really concerned about treatment too much. So here the treatment is also very brief. It's not in detail. I have compared the two applications which are quite famous nowadays, DeepSeek and Google AI Studio. And being professional, I just tested with the two terms. Being pathologist, so one was cell injury, the other one was inflammation. Very important topics in pathology, in medical science. So we have seen the results of both the terms in DeepSeek as well as in Google AI Studio. So in my view, Google AI Studio gave me much more and better and in detail information as compared with DeepSeek. We can say that somewhere very minor things are written, like for cell injury, aging was also included as cause in DeepSeek, but it was not there in Google AI Studio. Both the search engines are good. I'm not denying, but being professional, if I will rate Google AI Studio much better than DeepSeek. So hope we have understood what the battle is all about the DeepSeek and Google AI Studio. And there are many other AI-based applications that these days being used. So because these are two important ones, and most people are using them or maybe using them in future. So I wanted to compare and let you people know that which is better and what the reality is. I've heard a lot about DeepSeek, and today we have seen that what is the reality between DeepSeek and Google AI Studio, who is a better player. So I hope you yourself have judged it, which engine or application has given a better and comprehensive information. So maybe in future, we see a lot of changes in both the applications and both the search engines. So we don't know who ultimately wins the battle. At the moment, the Google AI Studio is somewhere here and DeepSeek is somewhere low. But maybe in future we see a change in the sequence. The DeepSeek may go higher. The DeepSeek may go higher and the Google AI Studio may fall behind. We are not sure. It's just a speculation. So let's see how the battle keeps on going between these. But at the moment, currently, I think Google AI Studio has given me better information, taught me well, educated me well, given me more information to read about and to understand what the term is all about. So I do hope you also, you can compare in your area and see which of them is giving you better information. Fingers are crossed. Thank you very much. See you next time. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.